AFAK Trading Ltd is an import and export of ethnic minorities product. Some minorities like shiny carpets like this, so we bring it from different parts of the world and we offer it to them in all Europe. Some customers might drink their tea in this kind of flask, and our job is to provide the best products they are used to in the best value.
When we start, what we have is 40-50 items, and now we are talking about more than 2,000. So to control that, you have to have a strong system, so can help you in accountant, stock control, all in one.
Until we actually decided that SAP Business ByDesign is the software for us.
I believe they are the best we could have aimed for. Very easy to get hold of.
They have enough experience in the market. They do not hesitate to advise if we are wrong. They are approachable all the times. SAP Business ByDesign is a robust platform that we can build a lot on it.
We really feel we're lucky that we have chosen to adapt SAP Business ByDesign. It's based on cloud. I can access the bank statements and be posting all of the transactions in the bank from wherever I am. And it's a really user-friendly system that can be understood by everybody in the business.
One of the instant improvements adapting SAP Business ByDesign is the reduction of wasted hours. So our staff are free to do more innovation in the business.
It helps you to make an order, to control your stock. Now our goal is to expand. We are willing to open a branch in Europe.
We are expecting a lot of improvement in the exported sales. With SAP Business ByDesign, there is no limits for growth.